How to block ads on Facebook. First of all, you have to launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're here, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner with the three-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Here, tap on the settings icon. Now, tap on Account Center or Meta Account Center. Scroll down a bit and under Account Settings, tap on Ad Preferences. Once you're here, tap on Manage Info. And here, tap on Categories Used to Reach You. Here, tap on this information and then tap on No. So you can do all same for all of these options, and after that tap on View in Manage, and here you can remove all from here. Once you have done that, you have blocked the ads on Facebook. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.